Welcome again to another lesson in JavaScript. So, in our previous lesson, we talked about JavaScript variables, and we talked about how identifiers can be named. We talked about the rules for naming identifier in your code. So, I just want to quickly show us how all these things can be achieved in JavaScript. So, if you declare a name, you can declare a variable name with either underscore, a dollar sign, or with a letter. So if I do something like name, this is valid in JavaScript. If I do something like wow name, it is valid. If I do something like name one, it is as well valid. And I can also do something like underscore, maybe name. JavaScript will accept it. Let's see, so that you understand what I'm saying. City, name is equal to city, right? Now, if I print it out now, let me now print it out. See, underscore name. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. Underscore name. Look at it. City is valid in JavaScript. You can do something like dollar sign and do something like this. City, it is valid expression in JavaScript. But there are some things that you cannot do in JavaScript. For example, you cannot declare a variable like this, let, and say, you can see that even before we put anything inside, it's already showing this yellow thing. So if we put it, you can see let is disallowed as a lexical band name. And you can as well not do something like const to declare your variable name because it's keyword in JavaScript. JavaScript will not accept it. So keywords are reserved to word in JavaScript. They are programmatically available to use in the language, not something that can be used outside. So you cannot use keywords to declare variable names. Keywords like let, const, if, for, and a whole lot of other ones like that. So using digits as a starting variable declaration name, or adding it after using dollar sign, using underscore, these are also rules identifier that you must always take note in JavaScript. And also note that JavaScript declaration respect case sensitivity, which means that when you do something like this in JavaScript, last name, and you now do something like this, last name, both of them, even though they are pronounced the same way, but the output will not be the same in JavaScript because JavaScript is case sensitive. So in order to avoid inconsistency in your output, you must always be consistent with how you name variables so that you'll be able to achieve what you want to achieve at the end of it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.